Motorola T605 H2O Walkie Talkies crush ordinary FRS in storms. Picture a kayak flip, kids yelling, your radio shorted underwater. Panic peaks. Mine sank last trip, a useless brick at the bottom. Total silence. Sound like your water scare? Comment your story. Chaos escalates. Drenched hunts waste daylight. Gut-wrenching isolation grips tight. Plans shatter. Endless battery swaps kill confidence. Dream of this. Seamless chatter. Buoyant trust. Always there. Relief beckons. Nosed into the Motorola T605 H2O by chance, scouting floats, this waterproof gem hit. IP67 rating, submerges 1 meter for 30 minutes. Auto flashlight lights upon submersion. 35-mile open water reach, realistically 6 to 8 miles. Nickel metal hydride and AA dual power, 23-hour talk time. NOAA alerts sirened storms. Roger beep and VOX for hands-free. Emergency button blasts a panic signal. Picture a kayak capsize emergency. My wife's radio drowned. Mine floated flashing. She grabbed mine, called help 4 miles off. Superpowers activated. It floats, it survives, it summons aid. 22 channels, 121 codes for privacy. Years on, zero shorts, fleets endure floods and seasons, uptime ironclad. A Gear Lab tester notes, submersible survivor, range outshines its class. A kayaker pal says, drops off docks yearly, floats perfect, NOAA saved a storm run. Pricey upfront, it slashes replacements yearly, and the AA fallback trumps recharge-only models. No soggy relapse, MIL-STD rugged build laughs at abuse. Engagement, what's your dream water use? Share below. This upgrades crisis comm. Family links solid. Teams and anglers switched. Fleets floating strong. The description link holds your Motorola T605 H2O pair, a smart safety step. Watch to the end for storm tips.